Hi guys, in this video we are going to paint a galaxy. In this painting we have used Prussian blue, magenta, red and orange and other colors as well. I painted half of the paper with blue, then I started painting some areas with magenta and other colors. As magenta and Prussian blue together forms a different shade of violet, the painting got a different touch to it. But magenta is almost like a dark pink, so whether you put pink in it or put magenta, nothing goes wrong. You can use pink instead of magenta, or you can use red also instead of magenta, because all form the same violet. The painting is always looking good if you put thicker pastes of the paint. If you use less paint and put more water, the painting wouldn't look good. It would look very light. So if you put thicker layers of paint, the painting would look darker, and hence it would have the touch of the galaxy. It would feel like we are in the galaxy. So you can use different types of textures to make different types of painting to give different types of effects. Let the painting dry before you actually start putting the stars in the painting. Let the painting dry before you actually put stars into the painting. much as planets you need, but let it be below 4, as more planets make the painting look more detailed, and so much of detail is not needed in a galaxy, as so many planets won't be together in the galaxy. They will be far far, so you can give different thickness to the circles or the planets so that they look like they are from a far distance. You can put the same measurement of the planet also, but it would look like almost everything are in the same area. So in this painting I have done all in the same measurement, as it looked nice to me. If it would have been one at the back, one at the front, it would look more nice. But however, it's your wish. You can do however you want. So it would be nice if you guys do it different measurements. I did a mistake over here by doing just small shapes.